Hi, I'm Sarah from Look What I Made, and today I'm gonna show you how to make this passepartout or mount, whatever you call it, out of rattan. So whatever you call it, let's make it pretty. Let's get started. For this DIY passepartout with rattan, you need rattan, of course. Then you need a cane strip, a frame preferable with a passepartout or a mouth already that you can use as a template, pruning shears, a miter box, pencil and a ruler. First we take the cane strip and place it over the passepartout. Then we mark the corners of the inside of your mount. Next we take the miter box, place the ruler inside the template and mark a line that has a 45-degree angle. You can also use a wooden saw, so you can skip this step and just saw it right where you made the mark. In my case I take the pruning shears and cut it where I made the mark. Make sure that it has the same degree angle on both sides. Since my passepartout is a square, I took the one strip I marked as a template to cut all four. Then I took the passepartout once again as a template. I marked all the edges and cut it out with the pruning shears. And as a last step, I take the hot glue gun and stick the cane strips to the inner edges of my passepartout. As a final step, reassemble your frame with the newly made pretty passepartout. If you liked this video tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And also consider hitting that notification bell. See you soon!